Have a good game, coach. Have a good game. Have a good game. Have a good game. Have a good game. Let's go, Trey. Hey! Euro. Hey! Good shot, Kyle. Good shot, Kyle. Hey! What the f is that? Travel! Woo! Kyle, watch it. How does he make that pass? 13, 13, 13, 13. One shot, one shot, one shot. Ref. After the basket, he hit the ball. No warning.
He might have been at it, but not delaying it here.
Okay.
I'm watching.
Okay. Quah, come on. Go, Trayvon, you got the one. Chris, come on, let's go. Take Corey, move Murphy to the wing. Run offense. Let's run off. Great job. Murph, lead these guys now. What is it?
He said bad.
Quah, what is it, bud? What is it?
Landed straight like
It's your back?
No, the back of my ankle.
Back of your ankle. It's okay. Good hustle. Come on.